Function composition is the way of combining two or more functions in such a way that the output of one function becomes the input of second function, and so on. Let us see a simple example for function composition so that you can understand it. So here f and g are the two functions. So f and g are the two functions where x is an argument. So g of x is a function. So the output of this function will become the input for this f of function. That is called as the composition in function. So function composition is the way of combining two or more functions. So you will be combining this two function f and g. These are the two functions. You will be combining the two or more function in such a way that the output of one function become the input of second function. Here whatever the output for this g of x will be getting, that will be used as an input for this f function. For example, here two function was defined. One is add and another is multiply function. So in add function what it was defined is x plus 2. So I am trying to add 2 to a number, and here multiply, I am trying to multiply 2 to a number. So here the print statement is print adding 2 to 5 and multiplying the result with 2. So that will be printed as it is, and multiply add of 5. Here the function call is add, so the control will be transferred to this add function. So whatever argument that will be passed to this x, so x will be 5, so 5 plus 2 will be, that is 7. Now the 7 will be passed to this multiply, so 7 into 2, that will be 14. So multiply add of 5, it will be returning the result as 14. So multiply add of 5. Here there are two functions that is used. One is multiply function, another is add function. So whatever output that you are getting for this add function, that will be the input for this multiply function. So whatever suppose here you have given 5, okay, 5 plus 2 is 7, so 7 will be the output of this add function, that is 7 will be used for this multiply function. So 7 into 2, that is 14, will be returned as a result. So this is called as the composition of a function in Python. So function composition is the way of combining two or more functions in such a way that the output of one function becomes the input of second function, and so on. Function eval function is used for evaluating an expression. If I give an arithmetic expression, it will be evaluator. Eval of 1 plus 2 into 3. 1 plus 2 into 3 is my expression. When I execute this, I will be getting the type error, because when you use the eval function, we have to give as a string, that is give within single quotes. So eval of 1 plus 2 into 3. So when you execute this, you will be getting the, sorry, there is one small mistake. So single quotes, I have opened it, it should be closed. Close the single quotes. So we'll be getting the result as 7, that is 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So evaluate function is used to evaluate an arithmetic expression which produces the result as 7. Now let us see how composition in function can be done. So I am going to use this function eval and input. N is equal to eval of input of enter an arithmetic expression. So in this statement, eval is a function and input is another function. Eval function is used to evaluate an expression, whereas input function is used to get the input from the user. So input function was nested inside this eval function. So what is composition in function? The value returned by a function may be used as an argument for another function. So whatever value that was returned by this input function, that will be used as an argument for this evaluate function in a nested manner. So execute this, it will be asking the user to give the input. So enter an arithmetic expression. So we'll be giving us 1 plus 2 into 3. So if we execute this, we'll be getting as, if I give n, it will be displaying the result as 7. So the value returned by the function, the value that was returned by the function can be used as an argument for another function. So what is the input that you have given? 1 plus 2 into 3. So that will be taken for the evaluate function. This is an example for composition in function.